Let's begin the lesson. Okay. First problem. Arikoromono. Okay. Let's go to the next problem. Iris. I think she is so cute. That's right. Let's go to the next problem. Iris. Oppai. Iris no Munwa Pat Iri. No. That's real Oppai. Let's go to the next problem. Kazuma. Kuzma. That's right. Let's go to the next problem. Darkness. Aranis. Larathana. Oppai. Sadur. Let's go to the next problem. Megman. The most powerful arc wizard. Her explosion magic make change mountains and break rocks. Perfect. Let's go to the last problem. Let's use the steel. Ha 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 ha. Explosion.